Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. In this video, we will discuss the sale rate definition validation option in Logic ERP. This feature allows you to control how sale rates are entered in comparison to the MRP. To enable this setting, open Logic Admin, go to Global Settings, and navigate to Sale Settings 2. Look for the option titled Sale at MRP Rate option. This setting comes with several configurable parameters. Let's now explore the available parameters one by one. By default, it is set to Allow, meaning that sales can be entered at the MRP value without any restriction. Let's create a sale bill. Enter the rate equal to MRP. Software will allow the entry without any restriction. Moving on to the next parameter, this setting restricts users from entering a sale rate that exactly matches the MRP. The rate must either be higher or lower. Let's save the changes and review the effect. Let's create a bill now. If a rate equal to MRP is entered, the software will block the transaction and display an error. Next option disallows sale rate that is equal to or greater than the MRP. The rate must be strictly less than MRP. After enabling, save the changes. Let's create a new bill. If we now enter a rate equal to MRP, the software will block the transaction. Similarly, if the rate is greater than MRP, the system will again restrict the entry. Therefore, under this setting, the sale rate must always be below the MRP. Lastly, in this mode, the software only restricts the entry if the sale rate is greater than the MRP. This means the rate can be equal to or less than the MRP. Let's create a new bill after enabling this option. If we enter a rate higher than the MRP, the software will block the transaction and display an error message stating that the sale rate cannot exceed the MRP. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.